Good morning. I'm Marla Ellerman. I'm publisher of Mobile Marketing and Technology online, and we're here at Transact 15 with Don Weary, VP of Product Management for Sage Payments. Don, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
And today I kind of wanted to talk about your new product, Sage Payment Anywhere. Can you explain to us what that product does and how it works in the marketplace?
Sure. So Sage Payment Anywhere actually was a product that came out of our own need to integrate our payment solution into our ERP business systems.
Okay.
So from that experience, we realized that there's a lot of other software providers, ISVs, partners who are suffering with a lot of the same issues we had, in that we did not want to put a lot of time and effort into learning the payment process in multiple different companies. So we centralized that knowledge.
Okay.
We wanted to take a lot of the complexity out of the different business units. So we centralized all that knowledge. So we created a single platform that can tie together both business solutions and payment solutions in a way that we can deliver payments into a business solution in a plug and play, very flexible, easy way, and it takes most, if not all, of the complexity out of offering payments within your business solution.
Is it an API that plugs in to the back end or
That's a great question. The way it's designed is highly flexible in that if you have a reason to invest in payments of yourself, many companies do, they've actually invested in being PCI compliant, we can offer you a simple API so you can simply authorize and complete payments transactions. On the other hand, if you do not want to get in all the complexity of payments, or maybe you've never offered payments before, we have a component that you can install which takes you completely out of all the regulations around payments, and it more or less is plug and play. It pops up, it takes the transaction, closes down, and we hold all the regulatory responsibility, and we are the ones who maintain all the currency with technologies and regulation and so on and so forth. So that takes all the headaches out of the hands of the ISV.
so then as a client, if I use this, you would do the PCI compliance for me online. So as when I take a credit card once a year, I have to go through this online like survey kind of reporting thing that has a million questions that I
Right.
have to answer. So now instead of me doing it through a third party, if I was your client taking a payment and you were my processor, you would offer all that for me.
We take a great deal of the burden off.
Okay.
As a merchant, you still have PCI responsibilities beyond just where the software ends.
Okay, okay.
So we reduce those requirements, but also more specifically, if you're an ISV, and if you were offering payments within your software, you would have to go through audits and regulatory requirements that you do not have to go through if you choose to use our option where we completely offload the payments responsibility from you.
Oh, that's great. So are you guys leveraging some of your other business units to offer this product? Is because you guys have many different segments that you go after.
We
So
do.
I would assume that you kind of go back and resell your other services through your own customer base?
Absolutely. Within our customer base, we have used the same technology. The actual product itself is called Sage Exchange, and that's how we've implemented payments within our business solutions. And it allows us, you talked about being able to get more from our customers, give them more support and help in running their business. We're a full service payment provider. So through this platform, we can offer check, ACH, credit, debit. So the full range of solutions, and the merchant, the end consumer, can choose as much or as little as they want to use. The other thing that's unique in this is the way we tie together the entire payments ecosystem. It's not unusual to take payments inside of an application. And as I addressed, we actually do a lot to make that easier. The other part of our solution is we actually are able to post back transactions from external payment devices.
Okay.
So for example, if you're a retailer who is taking payments inside of the ERP, let's say, and let's say you also have a storefront where you have a traditional retail terminal, and let's say you have a mobile and an e-commerce, just to make it interesting. We can actually pull from all those external sources and post all that automatically into your ERP system. So as a merchant, you're out of the double accounting, double entering, fat fingering mistakes.
Right.
We take all that away, and we do it in a way that's consumable to the small and medium business.
That's great. And is this product out on the market right now, or is it in beta?
It's in the market today. It's been in the market for a number of years within our Sage business system. We are now also making this available to other business systems. So we're taking the same lessons that we've learned, and we're making it available beyond just the Sage community. So other softwares, others ISVs, e-commerce solutions, our ISO partners, we're now making this entire integrated payments platform we've designed available out to other companies and partners.
That's great. So with EMV right around the corner, does this, are you EMV, is there any challenges that you're going to have with EMV, or is it just going to be seamless?
No more challenges than everyone's having with
Okay,
EMV.
all right, okay.
But no, EMV is addressed in particular because we do have devices that can talk directly through the Sage Exchange platform.
Okay.
And in those cases, we do have an EMV compliance solution.
Perfect. Is there anything else you'd like to add today?
I'd just like to say we're really excited to offer this solution to a broader scope. I don't think you should think of this as a Sage-only solution.
Okay.
It's plug and play. It's flexible, and I would also say, you know, you get the advantage of partnering with a trusted partner. We've been doing this for 30 years now. We built financial systems from the ground up. And we have a focus on the small and medium customer. For 30 years, we've been helping small, medium customers to grow and thrive, and we're anxious to share those capabilities and those advice and services with both our partners and our small to medium businesses.
Well, that's great. Sage is a name you can trust, for sure. Thanks for watching.